Exploring Filipino Cuisine. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of the Philippines, not through its beaches or festivals, but through its incredible native food. From savory stews to sweet delicacies, Filipino cuisine is a rich blend of indigenous flavors, Spanish influence, and Asian flair. So grab a plate, let's eat our way through the islands. Let's start with the savory side of things. First up, adobo. This iconic dish is made by simmering meat, usually chicken or pork, in vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, and bay leaves. It's tangy, salty, and deeply comforting. Every Filipino family has their own version of adobo, and trust me, they'll all swear theirs is the best. Next, we have sinigang, a sour tamarind-based soup loaded with vegetables and your choice of meat or seafood. It's the perfect balance of sour and savory, especially on a rainy day. And don't miss laying taro leaves cooked in coconut milk with chili and dried fish or pork. It's earthy, creamy, and packs a punch. Now let's hit the streets. Filipino street food is bold, fun, and sometimes a little adventurous. I saw grilled chicken or pork intestines is a favorite. Charred, chewy, and dipped in vinegar, it's a must-try for the brave. And yes, we have to talk about balut, a fertilized duck egg with a partially developed embryo. It's a delicacy that's not for the faint of heart, but locals swear by its flavor and nutrition. Other street favorites include kwek-kwek, quail eggs in orange batter, and fish balls, which are skewered and dunked in sweet or spicy sauces. Time for dessert. Filipino sweets are a celebration of color and texture. Halo means mix, and that's exactly what you do. It's a layered dessert of shaved ice, sweet beans, jellies, fruits, leche flan, and purple yam, all topped with evaporated milk. It's chaotic, in the best way. Then there's bebingka, a rice cake baked in banana leaves, and puto, soft steamed rice cakes often served with savory dishes. And don't forget turin, crispy fried banana rolls with caramelized sugar. Sweet, crunchy, and totally addictive. Filipino native food is more than just delicious, it's a reflection of the country's history, diversity, and love for community. So whether you're visiting the Philippines or exploring from home, these dishes are your gateway to a rich culinary adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more food journeys around the world. Salamat, and see you next time.